In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive, a simple yet powerful CRM tool. Whether you're new to CRM software or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the basics, ensuring you can get up and running quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and search for Pipedrive CRM. Once there, you'll notice a Try for Free button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with options to sign up. You can either enter your email address or use your Google account for a quicker sign-up process. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to create a secure password and verify your email. It's important to ensure your account is protected, so choose a strong password. Now that you're signed in, you'll need to provide some personal details, such as your name and job title. Pipedrive will also ask you a few questions about your experience with sales tools. This information helps tailor the Pipedrive experience to best suit your needs. Next, enter your company's name, its size, and the industry you operate in. This step is vital, as it finalizes your account setup and allows Pipedrive to better optimize your interactions. With your account set, let's explore the pipeline. The pipeline is a visual representation of your sales cycle, where each column denotes a different stage like lead in, contact made, proposal sent, negotiation, and deal won lost. Pipedrive's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it very easy to move deals through these stages as you progress. Simply click the pencil icon next to the pipeline name if you need to edit existing stages, add new ones, or set stage probabilities. Integration is a key feature of Pipedrive. You can seamlessly integrate your business email and calendar to centralize all your communications and activities. Moreover, Pipedrive connects with other tools from its marketplace, further enhancing your workflow. Now that your pipeline is ready, begin populating it with new deals. Head over to the Deals section on the left side menu and click the Plus Deal button in the pipeline view. Fill in the deal details, all the essential information like deal name, expected close date, and any relevant contact details. Once saved, the deal will automatically appear in your pipeline. As your team progresses through deals, you can easily drag and drop them from one stage to the next. Recording important communications such as calls, emails, and meetings under each deal keeps everything organized and ensures you don't miss crucial follow-up actions. Lastly, Pipedrive's Insights section allows you to build and customize dashboards filled with reports, offering you a comprehensive look at your data. You can choose to share these dashboards with your team or generate a public link for external stakeholders. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your sales pipeline and keep all your efforts organized and efficient in Pipedrive.